Hello, this is Gilles Mancillon. I am called to come and speak to you, with you, for a short while. I wanted to make this video. Wish you a happy holiday season. For we are moving. I'm going to do a tarot card reading for 2018. Sometimes I move back and forth into time. I'm like, but I wanted to address the fact that sometimes, right now, there are many people and everybody, more or less everybody, whether they're conscious or not, have a feeling of inside energy that they cannot fully define, understand. Vibration, sound, all kinds of things that are happening within. Those are, but we cannot always understand what's going on inside. For the physical body, it's just an envelope, a facade for a world of energy that we have within ourselves. And in essence, when there is all those new energies, those new vibrations that we feel within ourselves, we have to feel, to know that, to trust the process, to know that we are being elevated. It is part of our higher self that is about to emerge from the heart. And so there is all kinds of new energies. We want to be ready, we want to purify as much as possible our physical body, so we allow more space for spirit to come, to invest our physical body. For the more light we can embody, the greater our experience become. So we have a physical body, it is a visible, like the universe, we have a physical aspect and an invisible aspect. And so our physical body is an appearance, is made of cells, and it is made of matter and atoms and particles, and it is visible, it is physical, it is tangible. Yet we have also other bodies that are not visible or physical, but are just as essential, as important as the mental body and the emotional body and the astral body, the desire body. And so those bodies have to be aligned. So it is for the mental to choose a way that can align the physical and the emotional with the astral. And once all the bodies are aligned, there is a new level of integration, alignment. We are being integrated into a new level of light. Another thing I wanted to speak about is we are often, when we are feeling ourselves, that we all both go through times where we feel uncomfortable within any kind of situation. This situation becomes uncomfortable because we are coming out of alignment and we are stuck in an angle, a point of view, a critical judgment, a thought in relationship to ourselves or others or any situation. And it shows that we are stuck in an angle. And when we do not feel good, it is for us to move back into the center, to recreate a circle of light around us. And whatever problem there is, we can encircle it with our light. Whatever angle, point of view anybody has, it is good to know that you can encircle it with light. You become benevolent in relationship to the person, and you help assist in relationship to the problem you are looking into. If you are really into the light and you see it from all perspective, whatever angle there is, there will be a revelation that will come in relationship to solving whatever situation there is. Well, I hope you can remember that and use that, and let me know how this works for you. I hope this will be of assistance. I'm going to put in the card. Wow, the card for the day is the Sun. It is here. It is the Archangel Uriel. For you want to call those great archangels into your life: Gabriel, Michael, Uriel, Raphael. You can also call Ariel. We can also call Jophiel, you can also call Metatron, Sandalphon, all kinds of angels. There are 800,000 archangels within our local universe. They all hear of assistance. Of course, we do not need to have 800,000 call on 800,000, but we have the major archangels that are actually assisting us with our evolution process, such as Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Uriel. And so it is important to call on them regularly so that they can help and assist. The more we create this two-way communication, at first we open a way so they can communicate to us, but then eventually we begin to establish a two-way communication, telepathic thought transmissions. And so it is important to always use that to anchor, because they are divine beings and they already are where we seek to go. And so it is very important to reconnect to these angelic and archangelic frequencies. And so the Sun Uriel tells us life is marvelous. Fulfill yourself through positive thoughts. Ideas that lead to success. For the Sun is the realization of the eternal life of the soul. For the Sun is the collective soul. It is the guardian of the collective soul. It is the number one power center within the physical realm of this solar system. And so it is where we need to return to the Sun, return to the light. And so this will be happening. It is also the fulfillment of all kinds of things that are so marvelous to be experienced. So we want to be in gratitude for those few days and allow ourselves to receive all the the goods that life has for us in store. Well, I hope this message was interesting for you. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Namaste.